Welcome to Power BI certification series, and this is the question number 11 on the row level security. Alright, let's see the question. Can RLS be used with Power BI Pro and Power BI Premium? So this is a tricky question because you should know about licenses as well. Okay, so first option, yes, but only with Power BI Pro. Yes, but only with Power BI Premium. Yes, with both Power BI Pro and Premium. And no, RLS is not available in either. So what is your answer? Write down in the comments. And if you don't know, do a little bit of research with these two licenses type and also other licenses type, just so that you have a clear understanding, because it may be the question that they may have a different license type and ask you the question, right? Here I have asked you the question from Pro and Premium license perspective. So if you want to attempt more questions like this, so what I have done is created a question bank which you can buy and test your skills in the DAX, models, visualization, query, Power BI service, row level security, a lot of things which mix and match questions. What I have total 60 questions to really test your skills, and this is this question bank number 1. And I will going to release multiple question banks so that you are fully prepared for the exam. So link for this is present in the description, along with other links to join my private group where I release these details regularly, as well as the video links and all where I keep. That link is also present in the description. So make sure you check out description and carefully review all of the information that I have given to get the maximum out of what I am sharing with you all. With that, thank you so much. I will meet you in the new video with a new topic.